So over there is the floorboard, and then this is the wheel that controls it. I'm going to be pulling that off today because another one is broken. So simple little swap. So we just got to line up that key with that keyway. Alright, this thing can spin like this, but it also has a clutch. So this is engaged, this is disengaged. So if somebody bumps it, it's not going to actually change anything. And all that is done with this little center pin right here. So if I push on that, you kind of see it pushes the end out, and that's how it locks in. You might be feeling some shaking just because there's a bit of vibration up here. I'm already at the all the way at the top of the press. There you go. So that's it. You can see there's not a lot to it. Since they barely run this floorboard, it's not going to matter if this one doesn't have that handle.